Here we're just going to draw a turtle we saw at the zoo on here with a 5B pencil. So that's a soft pencil. It's going to be pretty dark lines. We'll see what happens. In this picture, the reference photo, I'll have it on our site, smilecreaterepeat.com, so you can go grab it if you'd like. To follow along to see the picture. Well, I'll put it up in the corner here too. So I'm just going and I see this line is much more like that. Then this comes over here. And I'm comparing, this head was going to make it too big, but I'm comparing it to this leg, and it's actually a little smaller than that part, so I'll need to adjust it. It's that way. So that's a basic drawing, and now I'm going to try to draw some of the shadows, edges, just so I have an idea of what I'm going to do when I use the paint to add some value. So that'll be pretty dark. And I'm just actually going to see if we can get that contour nice. Almost the outline, if you will. Okay, and then I think that's really it. I'm going to go back and draw it, use some paints, and we'll see what we come up with. Stay tuned for part 2.